Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to fix repost button not showing on TikTok. Why would you want to know how to fix repost button not showing on TikTok? Well, maybe it is your first time using TikTok and not sure how to fix repost button not showing on TikTok. So today I am going to show you how to fix repost button not showing on TikTok. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Fixing repost button on TikTok is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how to fix repost button not showing on TikTok. There are different methods to fix repost button not showing on TikTok, but I am going to tell you the easiest way. Open the TikTok app. Now press on share icon. You are seeing repost button. If you are not seeing repost button, there might be greater chances that your TikTok is not yet updated. Go back to home page of your mobile phone and open Play Store or App Store. Search TikTok. There will be greater chances that your TikTok is not yet updated. Update and relaunch your TikTok. You will see repost button. So there you go. If you are wondering how to fix repost button not showing on TikTok, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.